Heartbeat synchronization. When two people talk to each other or hold hands, their heart rates can sync up. Brain storage capacity. The human brain's memory capacity is virtually limitless, estimated to hold around 2.5 petabytes of data. Speed of sneezes. A sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Unique fingerprints. Not only humans but koalas also have unique fingerprints that are nearly indistinguishable from human ones. Longest living creature. The ocean quahog, a type of clam, can live over 500 years, making it one of the longest living marine organisms.